welcome back for another episode of Clean Your Car. We just finished doing a full shampoo on this vehicle, seats and floors and floor mats. But we noticed here on the seat buckles as we're getting ready to finish up that we have some, you can see that it's kind of white there over here. So let's try this. Same thing as we did on our steering wheel. We'll take our I use Adam's all-purpose cleaner. Not saying you have to, but it's what I choose. And we're just gonna do Murphy, a light spray there. Take my wire brush. Oh man, one-handed. This is not as easy as it looks as a steering wheel. It does not want to stay still. Hold on, let's come back here in a second. And we're back. So we've got the brush. Got the brush completely soaked in here. And we're just going across this, trying to get the calcium built up, or what do you want to call it, skin build up. Basically, it's from your thumb pressing that button down. You know, this is a 30-year-old car, you know, and we're just trying to make this thing look like it is somewhat new again. This family just bought this vehicle, and they got a young one, you know, try and keep it nice. There we go. That's much better. Ain't that much better? I like it. Let's hop over to the side and get those ones back in a sec. Alrighty, so we've already got our spray on. Now we're just brushing down, trying to keep the mess contained, I guess. You can already kind of see it's coming up already. It's got that creamy little milky look to it. Yummy. That is yummy. Oh, that's much better. Oh, I'm gonna have to, yep, phone down. Alright, so there's 2 passes done on these. And calcium buildup almost gone. Alright, well, 3 passes, finally got it all. Calcium buildup is gone. Well, I'm gonna call it calcium. It's probably not calcium. Skin, human skin, just built up. And this car, man, wait till you guys see the before and after photos on this one. This is a 30-year-old car, and the stains on it, unfortunately, you can see down here. We couldn't get every stain out, but we gave it the old college try. Alright, next. And we're back. Check that out. That took 2 passes on that one. And this one is, it's entertaining. I actually hit it with the steam and just to loosen it up. Let's see how many passes this takes. Voila. That actually took only 1 pass. That steam really did loosen it up. Man. Seatbelt buckles clean.